Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. The rules of Italian bathroom design dictate that in addition to being practical, a bathroom should also be beautiful. The choice of the style of furniture therefore becomes a very personal matter, which depend on the taste and space requirement. An Italian bathroom is in fact is not composed only of fixtures but also of surface, fittings and furnishings and bathroom furniture. The furniture itself is not just container but is designed to lend style and personality to an environment that is not only a place of service but a place to relax and take care of yourself. Choosing the furniture in the bathroom therefore becomes crucial for creating an environment in line with your own personal taste. If you like a minimalist style, the ideal is to focus on the clean lines with a contemporary feel. It is an original design inspired by minimalism and enhanced by furniture and accessories with clean and elegant lines. Refined protagonists of the program are suspended modules with rounded corners and doors inclined at 45 degrees. If you prefer soft lines, one of the hottest trends in Italian bathroom design are curved furniture with elegant and sinuous shapes. These items are not only beautiful to look at, but they allow you to better organize your space and facilitate movement, eliminating sharp edges. Colors are also fundamental when choosing furnishing of the bathroom. They give personal style to the environment and their ability to convey certain emotions and feeling is well known, affecting body and mind. The most commonly used shades are those that belong to the range of blues and greens because they are the colors which are closest to the water element. Bathroom furniture design in shades of blue promote calm, while green furniture with color of nature communicate balance and harmony. Renowned for being at the forefront of modern design, recently the Italians have returned to examine bathroom and in the process have developed some innovative new approach to design. Instead of creating objects to fill the bathroom, the new Italian trend is to build bathroom with entirely integrated fixtures. Instead of individual pieces, the bathroom becomes a single functioning unit. Controls are removed from the form and instead are integrated conveniently into the environment. Modern Italian bathroom furniture should be very resistant to humidity and moisture in addition to its beautiful and comfortable design. Another useful step taken by Italian designer is a decision not to place the furniture on the floor. Now it is installed directly on the walls of the room, which makes cleaning underneath much easier. In Italian houses, shower cubicle is usually located in another bathroom, which is also used for washing machine installation and other household utility. The first bathroom where the bathtub is located is used for relaxation and beauty. It is worth showing to guests. The second bathroom where the shower is usually simple in its design because it is needed for everyday hygiene procedure. But if you don't have two bathrooms in your house, it is quite possible to replace a bath with shower cubicles to save some free space. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern Italian bathroom designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below so do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram from the link in the description box. For walls decoration in Italian bathroom designs, many designers use three-dimensional tiles with a simple pattern or horizontal lines. Typically in Italian bathroom design, light beige and matte tile is used for wall decoration, and it is a good designing idea to use dark chocolate tiles for floor decoration. A fashionable option in Italian bathroom decor today is using tiles with an effect of scratches and even artificially deformed ones. Such tiles are good for decorating walls. Fan of classical style may choose mosaic in warm colors, but it requires you choosing the matching Italian bathroom furniture and a ceiling lamp in the same classical style. Italians hardly imagine a bathroom without a natural light source. Even if the window is always closed with dark curtains, but if there is no window in your bathroom, take care of good lighting. Large mirrors will definitely help to distribute the light in the room and also will visually expand bathroom space. Contemporary Italian theme bathroom permits both lighting in the shower and the abundance of iron and glass elements. And if you like accessories in interior, Italian bathrooms are a good field for your imagination. There will always be a place for a picture or a fancy holder for toothbrushes or towels. All this does not mean that fans of the classical Italian Baroque should forget about the bathroom from Italian designers. Many of them remain faithful to the traditions and continue to create luxury bathrooms like Italian marble bathroom with painting on the cabinet, round, delicate forms, and even a washing basin like a huge lotus. When choosing a style, make sure that the color of sanitary ware is not snow white, as it is customary in minimalism and high tech. Italian bathroom ideas include installing yellowish or pale pink vanity. It is better to choose a tap in shabby copper color like an antique style. A mirror frame also may be of the most voluminous and unusual shapes. Bathroom in Italian style is always extremely cozy, especially if it is done tastefully and accurately. So friends, hope you like this video on modern Italian bathroom designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the next video that is suggested to you.